Welcome YouTube, it's your boy Rob back with another video. I'm here with the unboxing of the Google Pixel Buds. Now, this was part of the package from the gift from Google. I'm going to unbox it, let you see what's inside, give you some little bit of tech specs on this, and we'll go from there. So first off, again, these are the new Google Pixel Buds. These does retail for $179. Nice looking case, very pocketable case, I can tell you right off the top. Now, this case does measure about 1.85 inches from left to right, and the height of it is just under 2.5 inches. And the width of it is just under an inch. We might well call it an inch. Man, like I said, these are very pocketable. Should sync very easily with your phone. Nice ear tips. Again, with these type of rubber ear tips, if they do irritate your ear, you need to probably give it a little time. I've always been of the opinion that usually once things like the oils from your ear kind of get around the actual tips of these will get more comfortable. But if they're not that comfortable, you could buy some aftermarket ones that is found on Amazon. I have done that before. On the inside of the box, they do have some other tips, extra small and one that's a little bit larger than the ones that are on there. For that fit, you get an A to C cable. I'm quite sure we have a lot of power bricks lying around that can fit this cable that they're providing for you. But that's pretty much it what's in the box. So again, that's not much to it. What else can I tell you about these? There is some sweat and water resistance. It does have what they call the IPX4 rating. Connectivity is Bluetooth 5.0. Far as from an audio standpoint, they do have what they have custom designed 12mm dynamic speaker drivers. It's supposed to have passive noise reduction and a spatial vent for in-ear pressure, so it help reduce that spatial awareness, for reduction and spatial awareness, I'm sorry. From a battery standpoint, you can get up to 5 hours of listening time, up to 2.5 hours of talk. The earbuds and the wireless charging case, up to 24 hours of listening time and up to 12 hours talk time. So meaning whenever you're done, if you reach the limit, you can put these back in the case, give it a 10-minute charge, and you're up to listening for at least another 1 hour. And this can keep you recharged up enough, like I said, to get up to 24 hours of listening time. Now, these are Q certified, meaning you can put them on wireless charging cases. You can charge them that way. The blue light has turned on. You can see the little indicator right here on the top has turned on. You can put these on the back of your Pixel phone, Pixel 5, and recharge them that way. Any phone that offers that type of an ability, you can use that. Now, this is the clearly white. They got what they call almost black, quiet mint, and also orange. And that pretty much does it as far as the features. So other than that, that's my unboxing of the Pixel Buds. If you have any questions, please leave those down below. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that also while you're here. And again, I will leave all the links to this if you're interested in picking up a pair for yourself. And other than that, I'll catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.